Oh, I hate that squeaky door. I'll show you how to fix it. Aaron McNally here, the handy therapist, physical therapist by day and handyman by night. Wearing my handyman socks today. Actually wore them at work today as well. Alright, I'm going to show you how to get rid of that squeak. Everybody knows squeaky doors are the most annoying thing ever. And they keep your kids from sneaking out. So if you got teenagers, keep them squeaky. But if you don't, this is how you fix it. Just so you're not too dirty. Use some silicone spray, WD-40, something like that. I use silicone. Oh, this is silicone's WD-40. Best of both worlds. Alright, so what I do, I kind of back it or put it around there just so when it drips off, it doesn't get too messy all over it. You don't even have to have the little one that has the straw on it, but just spray a little on there. Keep that on there so it's not dripping. And then while it's still wet and dripping around in those cracks, just kind of lubricate it up a little bit. You hear those squeak? Neither do I. It worked. Alright. Then I kind of wipe it off. We got it in the joints. Go down to the next one. Squeak it up. Lube it up. And work it on in there. Alright. Works pretty well even if you just squirt some in there. I always use this, but at the time, or a lot of that little dust comes off and it kind of makes some black liquid that kind of can drip down and get your carpet. So using this to hang it underneath it so it doesn't catch all that nasty stuff and get on your carpet and dirty up your carpet. And it just keeps your doors clean. You can see all that extra dust. And I just did this a few months ago actually, so easy. Alright. Tune in next time for some more handyman tips.